Continue wrenching Dnepr motorcycle. This is crankshaft lower end. Once we install a piston pin, there is some play. Looks like I need to replace brass bushing. There is zero resistance and it's possible to hear a clank related to this issue coming from running engine. Using a handsaw blade, material is pretty soft, so we can control the cut. Done 2 cuts. It's easy to remove the old bushing. Just several taps and it's good to go. Okay, now it's time to insert a new one. I bought a couple of those off eBay. It's getting in pretty tight. I've got small vise. Вообще с трудом. Здесь поверхность повредилась. Ну, дожму на прессе. Four millimeter drill bit. There are 2 holes. And now using lug nuts to compress the brass bushing from both ends. I've got a set of adjustable reamers. It's H8 and after that H9, which is 25 to 32. I don't have T-handle and hand reaming takes lots of time. You have to test it pretty often to make sure you are not overrunning the reamer, and find a position where a pin can be installed and get through the bushing smoothly and a little bit tight. Alright, I unfortunately did override a reamer here, and this is the original piston pin, and it's okay, it looks fine here, but it's pretty loose, you see. I don't feel play, but especially here. Yeah, so I have ordered a Ural piston pin with a white mark. Yeah, it's here. This is the biggest pin size the Ural has. And this one actually works very well here. I have to put some pressure to push it through. It works great, no play. So for such repairs I would like to keep several piston pin sizes. It's H9 reamer, and this is the setting where bushing is fully rimmed. So when I'm getting close to this setting, I need to make sure that I check the piston pin often, because I don't wanna over-rim it. And another test to see that pin is getting through both connecting rods. I probably had to oil the pin before inserting, but as a result it got through. The same test should be done once connecting rod rotated to the opposite side. The same reamer might be needed to increase a piston pin hole.